this is what happened. Rile ra fetšotšo kwa teaching, ne re yo modimo re jiga right re ya Jean Fairs, ne. This car, I don't know gore e appearile from kae, but it was a white VW. Not sure if it's a Tiguan or a T-Cross, but what I know is that it's a white VW. I didn't see the registration number, but we got it after when I was live. This guy o re flicketse the light. I flickela the light. Now I just thought it could be someone that we know because re fetšotšwa ka mo TT. Now my sister's like, I'm like, sisi wa mo tseba motho ka mo morago na, or no, a re eme re bone gore ke mang. Maybe ke motho e leng gore ra mo tseba. Sharp. So this guy ga ema, ge re ema, o ntsha something ka mara the armrest. You know, there's that thing, I don't know what you guys call it, but that he takes something out of the, and then he puts it in his thingy, we patakalo half. And then ga tlo joga mo koloing wa o thomo o tshwara ga botse jwa le ke thomo bona gore botse motho o tshwere tshipi, he has a gun. Sharp. And then ke botsa sister ke re gape se motho ko tshwere sethunya, right? And then my sister's like, he has a gun. Lena wa lebella wa bona gore ke sethunya. It's like, you know what, motho to ra batamela mo ka gata koloi and then rafai. Sharp. My sister does exactly that. So motho la obvious asa ile boela ko koloi ngo betha ke nako we drive sisa ka betha koloi. And then I went live. I don't know why I did that. I just thought maybe like whatever it is that is going to happen, at least when it's caught on camera. I don't know, man. I just went live. There were people on my live. They saw what happened. They saw how we were driving and all of that. And then motoki o re shetse morago still or hlomere ke rena bale re betha koloi. He's still flicking the lights. Re betha koloi a re fitla mola hampo, no, not hampo, the curve. You see that curve vela o ilo tsena ka kwa, it's like a, I don't know, hey yona eo ke curve ntwele. Sharp. A re fitla mola. And then I'm like to my sister, you know what, a re tlale tsela. That way this person is not going to be able to overtake us, because we don't know if he overtakes us what's going to happen. Sharp. A re tlala tsela. People were still kwa TT, it was still, you know. And then but he's still flicking the lights. Sharp. Overtake. And then now we don't see him, right? And then sure ramona sure hlomere and o tsa rena re tsamaya ka baki motho lo tsamaya ka VW jo baki ya rena ebile le yona ya tswafa ebile go ikwa moroto ga eba wes. Sharp. Or hlomere, the people on the live now are saying, guys, do not go home, run to the police station. We went there at the police station because we didn't know gore ke itele nyane ele kholo ela go tsena dikoloi e butse or what. And then Shapo, there were these two gentlemen that were very helpful, and then but organized a jabaki, and then we got escorted home. Simple as that. But now this car, now we didn't know anything. Now we hear that vele there's a VW that's running around TT. Apparently vele idira jona na get hijacker or or what, but that's what people were saying. Also on the live there was a gentleman that commented he's a police officer Wapitori, and they've been looking for that car because there were people that were commenting with the registration number. We got the registration number of the car, and then I sent it to someone so that we can see and that guy, he was light-skinned, and he's limping. So guys, I don't know what was the situation, but he had a gun. So because initially I thought it was cops. So now Raiman, the situation is a little bit weird. That's when we started fleeing, because hey guys, na we thought more go safe ke le gaela rena la go tshepagala mare vele ke a bona gore awa re tlo damage ga no. So yeah, that's basically what happened. For the people that were late living, wondering why am I at the police station, this is exactly what happened.
As a woman living in SA, like you just wonder, go to safe kuphi. Are you safe at home or are you not safe at home? At school, at work, Nkosi yami, like we are constantly looking over our shoulders. Like it's just so sad, Nkosi yami, ukuthi i-crime rate eSouth Africa ikhulu ngalendlela yokuthi asikaphephi indzawo. Awukho nje la uhlala khona uDave ukuthi angisendlini ngiphephile, hayi ngisesontweni ngiphephile. Yebo, I'm just glad shem ukuthi the ladies are okay, but kwati bani ngokuthi lo muntu bekayobe ndani bekafunani. Yo guys, I'm just glad ukuthi they are okay. People and ladies out there, they need to be careful. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.